All right, so I picked up this Foting pressure washer because honestly, I have so many things that needed cleaning around my house. I really needed something powerful but super simple to use. And to my surprise, it was very easy to put together. It only took a few minutes, so I will show you that at the end. Okay, so this comes with 4 different spray nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 45 degrees. So let me quickly just attach each one and show you what that stream looks like. All right, so this is the 0 degrees. This is the 15 degrees. All right, this is the 25 degrees, which is my personal favorite. And this is the 40 degrees, which is the widest one. But to use it, you simply connect your hose pipe water source to the back, plug it into a power source, choose your desired spray nozzle, and just flip the switch to on. Now, the power cord itself on this pressure washer did stretch a good ways across my driveway, but I did choose to personally plug it into a drop cord so I could carry it all around my house without having to unplug it and replug it in from front yard to backyard. But I can say if you're buying this for your driveway specifically, I'll show you right now if it's actually strong enough. Now you can see just how dark and black my driveway looks. I started out using the 0 degree nozzle, and while that one worked super well, it was just blasting away all of the discoloration on my driveway. It was going too slow for my taste since it didn't cover as much ground, since it is more of a straight spray in one spot. So next I switched to the 25 degree nozzle, and let me show you up close just how that one cleaned the driveway. Now the 25 degree nozzle did still do a fabulous job. There were a few hard spots that I felt like I had to do a few passes on, but I can confirm this pressure washer does have enough power to really clean a driveway. All right, if you want to spray something off with soap, or you want to like spray wash your car, it does come with a foam bottle. So I've put some Dawn and water in here. Now to attach the foam bottle, when you have the regular nozzle on, you just press down on it and twist to pull it out. And the little end of the foam bottle, you're just going to stick in here. You're just going to press it in and twist. And when you twist, you'll see that it locks into place like this. And then you'll just turn the machine on and pull the handle. So I would say the foam bottle works very well. Now, after you've foam soaked it up, you're just going to want to press in and twist to release the foam bottle. Then you're just going to want to press in and twist to reattach your nozzle, put a sprayer on it, and then wash it off with water. Now this pressure washer also performed very well when trying to wash off like the algae on the side of my house. Just look at how green and gross it was. Ugh. And it powered right through it. I did find that it would even cut through the mold and mildew stains if I got up close enough and got the nozzle like right against or right close to my siding, which was a big plus for me. Now this is all spraying with no cleaners at all sprayed. This is just water and the power of this pressure washer. And the reach was great as well. I'm barely 5 foot tall, and I found that I was almost able to reach most way to the top of the house with this sprayer and nozzle. I did even use it to clean off the railing on my front porch, and it has a fabulous auto shut off feature when it's in idle, and that did come in handy for me. Now, out of the box setup was super easy. You kind of just snap all the pieces together and then put a few screws in. So it had like a slide on and snap into place a front panel that has like the hose reel on it. You also snap in on the side like the little holder for the nozzle handle thing. You put a few screws in both of those to just kind of hold them in place, and on the back, the accessory and nozzle holder, you kind of screw that in, you snap it in place and screw it in with 3 screws. And lastly, of course, snap on the wheels, and again, just secure each wheel with a screw. That was it. All in all, really only took me about 5 or 10 minutes to have it completely out of the box together and ready to use. So if you're looking for a home pressure washer for like your driveway, siding on your house, patios, or even washing your car, and you want something that has easy nozzle swaps and the included foam cannon, this one really makes sense.